Good morning, student. Now today's topic is tribal revolts. In previous lecture already we have discussed about the impact of colonial rule on the tribals of India. So today we will discuss about the revolts started by the different revolts started by the different tribal groups. Here I have made the table because in this topic you have to learn different tribals name, areas, years of course, etc. So with the help of this table it's very easy to learn. So first of all you have to make the different columns, tribal names, areas, years, reason, etc. So we will discuss one by one. First, Khasis. Khasis who lived in the Khasi hills of northwest Assam. They started revolt against the Britishers under the leadership of Bar Manik and Tur Singh in 1829. What was the reason behind it? Why they were started the revolt against the Britishers? Because the construction of a road through their land. So Khasis, the tribal name, areas, Khasi hills of northwest Assam, years, they started revolt in 1829 due to construction of a road through their land. Second one is Kukis. Kukis, they started the revolt in 1829 and they lived in hilly areas of Manipur. Means Kukis of Manipur, they started the revolt against the Britishers in 1829 but they were forced to surrender in 1850. The reason in your textbook, no reason is given. Now, third one is Khons. Khons, they lived in Orissa. They started a revolt in 1846 because they were fear of being annexed, but they could not stand before the mights of Britishers. Now, next one is Santhals. Santhals of Hazaribagh, Jharkhand and West Bengal. They started the revolt in 1855 to 1856 under the leadership of Sidhu and Kanu Murmu. They started the revolt against the Britishers under the leadership of Sidhu and Kanu Murmu because of ruthless exploitation by the traders or money lenders. Actually what happened, the Santhals were exploited by the middlemen or traders because these middlemen and traders provided cash loan and collected coupons from them, but they were exploited by the money lenders. So that's why they started the revolt against the Britishers in 1855 and 1856. Next one is Mundas. Mundas of Chota Nagpur. They started the revolt in 1831. Reason is not given in your textbook. So all these tribals, they started the revolt against the Britishers in different areas and different years. If I'm talking about the results, what were the results of these revolts? So all these revolts were suppressed by the Britishers. Now, here I want to say role of Birsa Munda. It's a very important topic for you, my dear students. You have to learn role of Birsa Munda or Birsa movement. Birsa Munda was an Indian freedom fighter and a tribal leader who started revolt against the Britishers in 1895. He advised the tribals to work on their own land and not to live or not to move away. He said that land policies of the British were destroying their traditional land system. When the popularity of Birsa Munda was increased, he was jailed by the Britishers for 2 years. But after the release, he instigated the Brit tribes to attack zamindars. He raised the white flags on a symbol of Birsa Raj. But this movement ended in 1900 with the death of Birsa. So here you have to learn the role of Birsa Munda also and different type of reports also. Thank you and have a nice day.